Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard, this is Gems of Life, and guess what? It is bundle time. Bundle means you save money. These items are on our website on flash sale, but if you buy the whole bundle, you save even more. Let's jump in and look at them because you need to run to the website now. First, we've added some extra little, oh, just dropped one. Extra little guys. Look how cute they are. They go with our picnic items. Then we have also our cute little dies that match because of course we need those, right? Then, oh yes, there are more words. We need more words, right? Then I even added, and it doesn't look like much here, but go check out the website. It says every day with you is a picnic. And last but not least, the coolest ever food fold that we have done. A slice of watermelon, a slice of orange, one strawberry, and some cherries. And I even added an extra little piece here to go behind the strawberry, so when it cuts out those seeds, you can have little seeds on there and you don't have to glue on each one. Go to our website, thestamsoflife.com. Get it now because once it's gone forever. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.